Hello friends, today our topic is responsibilities of officials in Kho-Kho match. Responsibilities means the opportunity or ability to act independently or duty of a relationship between a part and a whole is called of officials, a person who makes ensure that players are following the rules of a game. In Kho-Kho means an Indian games of tag played with two teams of 12 players. Match, a contest in which teams compete against each other in a particular sport. Responsibility of referee means duty of referee. Referee means a judge having functions fixed by the rules of the game or sport. Responsibility of referee, the few responsibility of referees or as listed below means few duties of the referee. Referee means a judge having a functions fixed by the rules of the game or sport, or as listed below means or as marked under. Check the play field as per rules means examine the Kho-Kho playground according to the jurisdictions. Help the umpires for discharging of their duties means sport and allow to perform his responsibility, who control plays and makes sure that players act according to the rules in a sport event. Supervise the umpires during conduct of play means keep watch over the umpire who run the match. Check the running players means examine the running players. Punish the players under rule means penalize the players, those taking part in the game, if they do not behave properly. Checking of time, score sheet and entry from free zone area. Examine the schedule of the match, scorebook in which scores are entered, and the act of going in from where both the runners and chasers can move in. Responsibility of umpire means duty of umpire. Umpire means the umpire shall move in the lobby and shall conduct the game. Few responsibilities of umpire or as marked under. There are two umpires to conduct a Kho-Kho match in smooth way means two umpires carry out the game in easier to reach a conclusion result extra. Both the umpires moving in the lobby of each half across the center lane means each umpire keeps their eyesight on the player they move in lobby from one side to the other side. Both the umpires declare right or wrong touch during match. Each umpire in their side can give the judgment of fair or incorrect touch during when match is in progress. Both the umpires gives out the running players during the match means each umpire have the authority to run out the group of running players when the match is in progress. Both the umpire enforces the rules of game over both teams. Each umpire try their best to impose the set of rules over both squad or group, those competing against each other. Both the umpires keeps their attention that players do not harm physically each other during the match means each umpire carefully also focuses on their attention on the players to whether they inflict or hurt the other player's body during the course of the match. Responsibility of timekeepers means duty of timekeeper. Timekeeper is an official appointed to time regulate and record the duration of sports contest. The few responsibility of timekeeper or as listed below or as marked under. First and foremost responsibility to check the duration of each inning of both teams means deals with the first of all to examine the time during which the inning is going on for both teams or squad or a group. Then check the interval time, mean at that time examine the clock breaks time down into the intervals of seconds, minutes or hours. Announce the end of each inning, means declare the conclusion of active group. Also keep the record of timing in case of tie match, means as well as retain the possessions of write down the timing in case of match ended in draw. Responsibility of scorer means duty of scorer. A scorer is a person who scores goals, points in games and keep the record of the score in a game. The few responsibility of the scorer or as listed below, means few duties of the scorer or as marked under. Keep his eyes on the order of running team, means retain possessions of the score sheets that should be carefully focus his attention on the group running the playing players. Keep neat and clean record of the both teams, means retain possessions of the score sheet that tidy and orderly without cutting in writing. Keep the record of points scored by both the teams during the match, means the duty of the scorer to keep the record of the points earned by both teams during the match with neat and clean handwritings. Send the runners in the entry zone as per their sequence. The duty of the scorer to send the players according to the group of runners. Hand over the complete record and score sheet to the referee, means when the match complete immediately hand over the record of score sheet to the referee that no controversy arise in the result. Thanks and have a nice day.